In this video, you're going to be able to learn how to draw one of the characters from the storybook The Day the Crayons Quit by Drew Daywalt. To start off with, I've got a black felt pen and some white A4 paper. And I'm going to draw two lines going down the paper, parallel to each other. At the bottom of those lines, I'm going to connect them with a slightly curved line, and I'll do the same at the top as well to connect the lines at the top. I'll then draw another curved line slightly above the bottom line, and at the top I'm going to connect some shorter lines and do the top of the crayon, so just a few lines together, as you can see, to create the nib of the crayon. I'll do another curved line again, closer this time to the second line from the bottom, and from there I'll draw some triangles, which I'll then fill in with the black pen to create some decoration on the crayon wrapper. After colouring those triangles, you can add two shorter lines at the bottom for the crayon's legs. Moving on to the face of the crayon, you can add two dots for his eyes, and then for his mouth, I'm creating a sort of upside down bean shape. You can see that my crayon is not that happy. Depending on what crayon you do would depend on his expression on his face. So if you're doing a happy crayon, you can give him a smile. If you're doing an angry crayon, you can give him a frown. It's up to you. Then drawing on his arms, and for his hands, I'm just doing three small little oval shapes. And there we go, he's done. As you can see here, I've done a happier crayon, and I've also done three smaller crayons, different expressions, so you can see what kind of crayon you can create. When you're finished, you can colour in your crayon and decide what character he's going to be. So there we go. I hope you enjoyed that little tutorial on how to draw the characters from The Day the Crayons Quit by Drew Daywalt.